Mia, did you drink your morning coffee today?
Yes, I did. But today I want to tell a story about tea.
Oh, tea. Did something bad happen to your tea?
Something very funny happened yesterday morning.
Tell me, did you spill hot tea on your shirt again?
No, I did not spill it. It was much worse than that.
Worse than spilling hot tea? What did you do?
I put salt in Sarah's tea.
What? Salt in her tea? That sounds terrible.
It was terrible, but we laughed so hard about it.
Who is we? Were you with a friend?
Yes, I was with my good friend Sarah. Yesterday morning, my friend Sarah came to visit me.
That sounds nice. Did you make some warm drinks for her?
Yes, I wanted to make fresh hot tea for Sarah. Sarah sat at my small kitchen table and we talked happily.
So, what did you do first to make the tea?
I boiled water in a pot. Then I put 2 tea bags into 2 red cups. After that, I poured the hot water into both cups.
Okay, that sounds like normal tea so far.
We both like sweet tea, so I wanted to add some sugar.
Right, many people like sweet tea in the morning.
On my kitchen table, I had 2 small glass jars. One jar had white sugar, and the other jar had white salt.
Uh-oh, they look almost the same.
Yes, both jars looked exactly the same. So I picked up the salt jar by mistake.
Oh no, by mistake, it means you did not plan it. You did it without planning.
Exactly. I took 2 spoons of salt and I put them in Sarah's tea.
Oh my goodness, 2 full spoons of salt?
Yes, I stirred the cup with a spoon. Then I gave the cup to Sarah with a smile.
Poor Sarah. Did she drink the whole cup right away?
No, she picked up her red cup and she decided to take a sip.
Take a sip. It means drink a little bit.
Yes, Sarah took a sip and her eyes went wide.
Haha, did she spit the salty tea out on your table?
No, Sarah is very polite. She drank it slowly, but her face looked very strange.
Did you notice her strange face right away?
Yes, I asked her, "Is the tea too hot for you?" Sarah smiled a little and said, "No, the tea is fine, but the taste is interesting."
Interesting. That is a very polite word for salty tea.
Then I took a sip from my own cup. My tea tasted normal and sweet.
So why did Sarah's tea taste strange?
I looked at the 2 glass jars on the table. Then I tasted a little bit of her tea too. Suddenly, I realized my big mix-up.
Mix up, it means make a mistake with 2 things.
Yes, I mixed up the salt jar and the sugar jar. I shouted, "Oh no, Sarah, I gave you salt by mistake."
What did Sarah say when you shouted?
Sarah looked at me and then we both started to laugh loudly.
I am glad she laughed with you.
We laughed so much that my tummy hurt. I took Sarah's cup and I poured the salty tea into the sink.
Good idea. Nobody wants to drink salt water.
Then I washed the red cup carefully and we decided to start over.
Start over, it means begin again from the first step.
Yes, we started over. I checked the sugar jar very carefully this time. I made a new cup of sweet tea for Sarah.
Did Sarah like the second cup of tea?
Yes, she took a sip of the new sweet tea and she smiled big. She said, "Now this is real tea. It tastes delicious." We sat by the window, drank our tea, and enjoyed the beautiful morning.
Let's chat.
Oh, poor Sarah.
I know, putting salt in her tea by mistake was such a surprise.
But it was so funny that she had to laugh.
These red teacups make me think of my silly story.
Oh no, what happened in your kitchen, Ryan?
Well, last night, I wanted to make some warm, sweet soup.
Sweet soup sounds nice on a cold evening.
It does, but I made a big mix-up.
What kind of mix-up?
I worked fast, so I took the wrong bottle from the table.
Oh no, what did you grab?
I grabbed the big salt jar and not the white sugar jar.
Oh dear, did you put a lot into your soup bowl?
Yes, 2 full spoons.
Did you try to drink it right away?
I was hungry, so I decided to take a sip.
How did it taste?
It was terrible. It was so salty that my eyes went wide.
I had a silly day in the kitchen last weekend too.
Really? What did you bake?
I baked warm apple muffins in the oven.
Fresh baked muffins are my favorite.
Mine too, but I put salt on top by mistake.
Oh no, salty muffins.
Yes, my brother ate one and his face was so funny.
We both need to look at our jars more carefully.
But my brother laughed and helped me start over.
That is the best part. A good friend helps you start over when things go wrong.
Exactly. Cheers to our red teacups and better luck next time.
Cheers. Now, let's review our 4 helpful English phrases from today.
Great. Phrase number 1 is by mistake.
By mistake, it means you did not plan it.
Let's start with a quick practice, Ryan.
Yesterday, I took your blue jacket home by mistake. Did I plan to take it?
No, you did not plan to take it. You took my jacket by mistake. It looked like yours. Now my turn to ask a question, Ryan. I called the wrong telephone number this morning. Did I call by mistake?
Yes, you called by mistake. You pressed the wrong button on your phone.
Excellent. Now let's review phrase number 2. Take a sip.
Take a sip. It means drink a little bit.
Ryan, if the soup is very hot, should I drink it fast or take a sip?
You should take a sip first. Then you will not bring your tongue.
Good answer. Here is another question for you, Ryan. When you try a new fruit juice at a store, what do you do first?
I take a sip first. I want to see if I like the sweet taste.
Perfect. Now let's review phrase number 3. Mix up.
Mix up. It means make a mistake with 2 things.
Ryan, I thought Tuesday was Wednesday yesterday. Did I mix up the days?
Yes, you did mix up the days of the week.
Here is my next question for you, Ryan. My brother put his shoes on the wrong feet today. Did he mix up his shoes?
Yes, he mixed up his left and right shoes.
Right. Now let's review phrase number 4. Start over.
It means begin again from the start.
Ryan, if I spill ink on my drawing, should I try to fix it or start over?
You should start all over on a clean piece of paper.
Great. Last question for you, Ryan. If we make a bad mistake in a game, can we stop and start over?
Yes, of course. We can stop the game and we can start over from the beginning.
That was a great practice session, Ryan.
You did very well today, Mia.
To all our listeners, here is a small task for you today.
If you make a small mistake today, do not worry.
Just smile, say, I did it by mistake, and start over with a happy heart.
Thank you for listening to our English podcast today.
Keep practicing your English every day and see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.